Now guys, if you see, hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Yes, I'm in the kitchen. I am starting this video in the kitchen. So I want to make meat pie in a toasting machine. So what I want to do today is trying to perform an experiment. I am a baker. I bake meat pie, but I bake it in the oven. So today I want to try to bake it in the toasting machine, that the one we use to do toast bread. So, and I want to see the outcome. I want to see if it's really going to bake the meat pie to perfection. So come along with me as I show you how I do this. This is the toasting machine that I'm going to use for it, and this is the dough. This is the dough I'm going to be using because I don't want this video to be too long. So I already made the dough out of I didn't want it to be too long, so I made it out of the camera. So this is the dough we are going to be using. This is the meat, and it's a leftover. It comprises of the beef, potato, and carrots. I'm also going to be using fish as well, so we are using fish and the meat. We are also going to be needing a margarine or butter or vegetable oil. Also a large flat surface like this. And I am going to wash my hand as well. So I'm trying to roll out the dough to make it flat. It's time to roll out another dough to cover it up. Usually it takes about 30 to 35 minutes to be done in the oven. So I want to experiment how many minutes it's going to take to be done in a toasting machine. Right now the time is 5:18, so we're all going to see what time it will be fully ready. This is 10 minutes later, so I just want to check the situation of things. Wow. So I have to flip it now. Lovely. Guys, how did you see this? I just flipped the other one, so I'm going to close it now. Guys, if you see the way this thing is smelling good. And I'm going to let it sit for another 5 minutes and check back. The time is 5:32. That means 14 minutes later. Can you see that? OMG. So good. So I'm going to take one out and taste it. The best meat pie I've ever eaten. It's even more delicious than the one I usually make in the oven. Yes, I said what I said. Do you want to have a taste? Okay, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Okay, guys, so I have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for coming. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and bye.